What's going on, guys? It's your boy Julius with Exclusive, back at it with another one, man. I am on Project Gsxr. Finally, I just got off of work. I'm still wearing my highlighter yellow shirt. I just got off of work. It's not raining yet. As you can see in the sky, it looks like it may come, but I wanted to get a first ride in. As you know, I just got it back from the dyno. I had 80 horsepower when I dropped it in, and I had the time of my life. Now I got 130 horses, so I'm about to go have a good time. I'm gonna take it for a little spin before the ground gets wet. I gotta go out of town this weekend. I don't know when I'm gonna ride it again, so I just gotta get out here, do a quick video, get a quick ride in, and have some fun. So let's go. Yeah, buddy. Oh man, this thing is amazing now, man. It rips. Goodness. Alright, make a little U-turn. Alright, so as we know from before, let me turn this off. My RPMs at around 8,000 RPMs, I used to lose power. It just stalled out, it didn't climb. So I'm gonna do a first gear pull. Hopefully I have my tack in the camera view, but let's see how it does. Oh god. Oh boy. Oh, it flies past it now. That's not even an issue. That's not even an issue. Let's get a first gear wheelie real quick. Oh man. Hey, this bike is ridiculous now. This bike is ridiculous now. Like I said before, I'm no wheelie, king or anything like that. I just like to get my front wheel up, put it back down. Bike costs too much for me to be doing dumb stuff like that. When I get my supermoto, I'll be on it. But as of now, I just pop them. Oh, but this thing feels amazing. It sounds amazing. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this thing on camera, but it just revs past it like nothing. Right past 7,000. It was definitely having an issue before, and as you can see from the dyno sheet, it was just a 50 horsepower loss from whatever was going on. So it feels like a whole different animal now. Get a little lean. Oh man, I lost traction right there, and it's dry out here. Let me slow down before I get a ticket. I don't need any of that. This is a whole new animal, guys. A whole new animal. Oh, cut into my lane a little bit, guy. From my 2009 Gsxr 600 engine that I had in here, on the dyno, it put out, I want to say 95 horses if I remember correctly. And I got that dynoed on one of those trailer dynos. It was just one of those things. I didn't even expect to be doing this motor swap when I got that dynoed. I would have kept the sheet for that so that we can compare, but I had 95 horses somewhere around there to the wheel. So with that, I did the motor swap. I had 80, and I could feel from idle to about 6,000, I could feel it had way more get up than my 600 did. But right around that 6,000 RPMs, it was just losing it. It was just falling on its face. So now with this motor swap and with the dyno, 130 horses, I mean, it's like I got a whole new bike. Let's go. Oh man, I am smiling right now. My cheeks are hurt. Goodness. Looks like the rain is coming. Oh, see Popo. Whoop, whoop. And now that I see the police, I realize that I forgot my wallet. I usually don't do that, but I feel like doing hood rat things with my friends. This thing sounds amazing. Oh man. A little accidente. It's a nice F-150 right there. I don't know if you guys can see my light too. I got the yellow HID that I put in the last video. Check it out on the car. I actually like the way that it shines. I wanted it to look a little more yellow when I look directly at it. It looks kind of just like an old halogen bulb. So I may do a gold tint. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do something custom with the headlight. Maybe I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with it. I know it will involve me having to put that light in the oven and opening it up, but I'm definitely gonna do something to it, whether it be halos or whatever it may be. I'm gonna do something different to it. So I do like the way it shines yellow though. I mean, even during the day I can see that yellow reflecting off its signs and stuff, but just when you look at it from, you know, not being on the bike, it just doesn't look yellow. It looks like a dirty yellow. It doesn't look like I wanted it to look. So oh man. Alright, so obviously it did a front wheel, or it did a first gear wheelie before, even with 80 horses. So I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and get a second gear wheelie after I get through this turn here. Alright, so here we go. Man, it just loses traction no matter what I do. There we go. 6,000 RPM. Pull the clutch in and dump it. Oh man, I'm just losing traction. Just losing traction, which my bike is lowered, so I kind of knew it was going to be hard to get that front wheel up in second gear. But oh man, this thing feels amazing now. Make a little U-turn. If you have not rode motorcycles, you do not understand this feeling. Alright, I can't do that anymore though. I can't afford a ticket right now. Let's get on the freeway. There we go. It's official. I'm happy. take the streetway home and relax. Oh, wrong gear. And that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in once again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on my videos, and share them with anybody you know who's into this type of stuff, bikes, cars, whatever it may be. I will have all types of content on this channel, especially as it grows. I appreciate you guys for tuning in once again. And that's gonna be it for this whole Project Gsxr engine swap. The engine swap part of it is actually done. Now that I've got the ECU tuned and everything beyond this point will just be custom. So if you've been watching from I think I have nine videos on this. If you've been watching from the beginning, I appreciate it. It's been a long road coming, but the engine swap on this bike is done. The project is done. So everything I do from now on would just be customs and things that I want to do to this bike. But I'll have a price list on what it would cost for you to do an engine swap. This engine swap, I'll have that cost too. This one was a little bit different because I crossed generations, but what it cost me and what it could cost you if you wanted to do the same project. So I'll have that video coming up soon too. But once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I hope you're enjoying your day. I hope you enjoy your week. Stay blessed, keep your head up, and see you next time. You guys have a good one.